I'm at the pick apart after it rained, and I was finding it kind of humorous trying to get down the aisles without stepping in a puddle. You see that puddle right there? So it's kind of a little bit of a game, I guess. Well, that's a manageable puddle. I could step over that one. Oh, look, an Audi. See, look at this massive puddle right here. I had to go around it because I'm trying to get to a car. Okay, now I lost the car where I was trying to get to. So, I think it, oh, I see it. It's over there. No puddles? I hope you get some entertainment value from this. But see, this is the car I was looking at. I have a 02 Jetta. Oh, look, another puddle. Oh, look, it's the wrong engine. Well, the right engine for my niece's car, but the wrong engine for me. Let's get the VIN number. Has this been completely tampered with? Oh, I don't know. You never know what you're going to get. The door's been taken apart. Nice. Oh yeah, the leather seats aren't nice anymore. The VIN number I wanted to get: 3VWSK69M32M120903. Date 1 January 02. And let me see the punchline. Volkswagen made in Mexico. Look at that one. Origin, Mexico. A German car made in Mexico. Why am I looking at this right now? Oh, no heated seats. What the heck? Oh no, they do have heated seats. Wow, gotta keep your tuchus warm. Anyways, there's 40% off. Memorial weekend. You know what I'm gonna be? I'm just here today kind of by accident, because I was looking for the kit to change the spare tire to the oh look, a puddle. That's entertaining. Anyways, for the Chevy truck that I drive. Anyways, I was kind of humored by the puddles and trying to find my way.